Hi friends, me again. Now I'm telling you this because I just finished recording the video that I keep fingers crossed I will be able to launch this Sunday. And I just wanted to let you know that a bunch of you are waiting my part 2 concerning my Longchamp winter sale unboxing. And I wanted to be honest with you. I will release the unboxing, which is part 2, but I have to tell you everything. I think I will release it a bit later. First, because I wanted before to talk to you about the new item concerning the collection for Spring Summer 25. I went to a boutique and I bought a lot of stuff, but I will tell you, it's also related to winter sales because I find some really good deals, but I will tell you everything. The thing is that I will, on purpose, I will make the video and launch them later. That means that it will be part 2, it will be part 3, and maybe part 4 and part 5, because I bought a bunch of bags, let's be honest. But I don't want to make only unboxing. You know, my videos, my channel is about my bag collection, but my video is also aimed to tell you some information concerning the levels, concerning the collection, and so on. So on purpose, you will see from time to time an unboxing video concerning winter sales. So don't be afraid if later in the year you will see a video concerning winter sales. It's on purpose. And I hope you will understand my way of doing. I don't see the, how can I say that? Because in every case, there will be no more winter sales whether you are looking at my my video, for example, if you are based in America or in Asia or everywhere else in Africa. I'm not in an urge to show you what I've bought. I hope it makes sense when I'm explaining this. That's all, so stay tuned, because yes, you will finally see all that I have bought, but I will take my time to show it. That's all. Okay, so now guys, enjoy your day or your night, depending on when you are looking at me. I love you. Thanks for supporting my channel and my craziness. And we keep in touch. Bye!